The Beermen have clinched their first victory of the conference against the Terra Firma Jeep. Congratulations returning head coach Leo Austria and player of the game Junmar Fajardo. Welcome back, Coach Leo. Bago ang lahat, maaari niyo po bang ikwento kung kailan niyo po nalaman at paano napag-usapan ang iyong pagbabalik as head coach at anong mga naging pakiramdam mo just coaching again tonight?
Actually, last night we have a Christmas party with San Miguel Corporation, lahat ng employee, last night. And then I was invited. Usually, all the players lang yan but I was invited and all of a sudden I was called up to go upstairs with the management. And that's the time na they told me na, they asked me if I can coach. Sabi ko, boss, I'm healthy and never get sick since I took over San Miguel ganyan. But okay, ganyan we're losing coach. Sabi niya, yes boss, ganyan. And okay, you will be back with the help of Coach Al, Francis Alchua, and then ayun, nabihan nila ako tomorrow, which is today. So hindi ako nakatulog. With that, because there's a lot of pressure. Because in the PBA, you cannot take lightly yung mga teams lahat competitive You can never know what will happen. Just like itong Terra Firma, they played last against Meralco, so they lost only in last possession. That's why I'm so happy to be back and win my first win after a long years of on the sideline.
Coach, napansin rin sa inyong starters si Junmar, si Marcio, si Chris, and of course Junmar just being the focal point of your offense, yung Leo Austria touch kumbaga. But how different would you say your coaching approach was na nakita talaga namin ngayong gabi?
Well, I think for 2 years I'm not coaching but I watched them play before and then these three guys Junmar, Marcio, ganyan, and this is the focal points of our offense since nung few years back and then I want the new players to know what really happened in our team before. We want to build up a winning attitude ng players. It's not equal opportunity for the player. So our goal is to win. So maybe the rotation will be not that much, because I would like to define the role of the player. If you're playing well, just like today, and the third quarter or fourth quarter, so the second group was inside at Akahilig, Truliano, and then Wami. So that's the time lumamang kami. And then that's nag-start yan from the core na ando si Lasiter, si Chris Ross, saka si Junmar. And Junmar, alam naman niya kung anong game plan ko
Thank you so much, Coach Leo. Junmar, congratulations. Dahil sabi rin ni Sir Fidel that you actually just joined the top 5 all-time most rebounds club with 6,152 rebounds. Alam naman ng lahat ng mga pinagdaanan nyo ni Coach Leo, pero gaano kaiba ulit para sa'yo at paano naapektuhan ang iyong laro just having Coach Leo ulit as head coach?
Una-una, napapasalamat kami kay God na walang na-injury sa game na to. So, ayan, masaya kami na nakabalik si Pops. Sobrang tagal na rin yan. Pero, nandyan lang naman siya lagi sa team Hindi naman siya actually nawala Nandyan lang naman siya lagi sa team. So, ayan, masaya kami na nakabalik siya. Tapos nakuha namin yung panalo. So, sana tuloy-tuloy na. So, ayan.